Hey there guys, now we're looking at different words for subtraction, things like takeaway, things like minus. So to know other words for subtraction is our learning intention, and our success criteria, well for today anyway, is to understand what difference is, which is about taking things away, subtraction, and also understand what it means by to decrease. So let's just briefly look at that. And I'm going to give it away. It's just takeaway again, guys. It's just minusing. It's just subtraction. And our two words today to focus on are difference and decrease. Okay, here we are. Look, here's a sum, 486 take away 22. But you could say 486 decrease. Or decreased by 22 might be better. You could say 486 decreased by 22. It just means subtract 22. It means the same thing. Decrease means to go down, by the way, to lower. The other word we're looking at is difference, isn't it? So you could say 486 take away 22, or you could say what's the difference between 486 and 22. So that means you're trying to find, how many numbers, what's the space between 486 and 22. And you'd find that out exactly the same way. You'd just do the same sum. So there's two words we've looked at today. Decreased or decrease and difference. And they both mean the same thing. They're both referring to subtraction or takeaway or minusing. Here's a good one. Look, decrease 100 by 48. It just means it's asking you to take 48 away from 100, and the sum would look like this. Here it is. 100 minus 48. And I think you could do that sum. Here's another way of saying the same thing. Look, difference between 148. So it's saying what's the space between 148? How many numbers are between 148? And you just do the same sum, a subtraction sum, to find it out, which would be 100 minus 48. Okay guys, I hope that's been helpful. We've looked at different words you can use for subtraction, take away, minus, and particularly difference between and decrease. Okay, see you later.